Hello everyone, with Lance Fantasy Gaming. We're doing part 6 for April 2024 Patreon for D&D prints, Warhammer proxies, and figures. If you do, please enjoy it. Please subscribe, like, and share. And check out the links that we'll be looking at down in the description below. And also check out our Patreon Discord down the link below as well. So we start with ES Monster. These are figures. They're doing a, what you call it, this is the last month one that we got. But this month, that's May, that's April. So we got Psylocke that is coming up for it as well. And we also have Witchblade as well. This is the comic book Witchblade, not the anime Witchblade. I wish they did anime Witchblade. And we have Albedo from Overlord. I can't wait to watch the movie for this as well. But yeah, that's going to be your April one. And I think you'll still have access to the remainder of this as well. Beastary miniature. This is a very dark miniature. If you like Elder Scroll, sorry, not Elder Scroll, Elden Ring and Dark Souls, you'll love this for your dark campaign. So these, also if you have the board game, you can actually print these for your board games as well. So Royal Guards, Under King, Blade Swarm, Kabbalist. And you have these ones as well. That'll look very good in your game, especially these guys. I think these were in the games too. And you have your heroes as well. A lot of heroes looks like that. And you got your introduction of their stats. Closer look. I think it's one of those nice art pieces that you might be all enjoying for it. Oh look, fucking a big thing, a little piece of corpse comes out. That's fucking gruesome. Oh, shit. Titan Forge. This is like Warhammer proxy. Sometimes it's Age of Sigmar, Old World, or 40k. So April we got looks like Norse and gnomes. Looks like we got some gnomes, but we got a lot of chaos pieces look like it as well. We got some elves and undeads over here. You can also use this for your D&D one. This one I think goes with the OPR War Tabletop Gaming as well. So if you're interested, go for it because we go into the cultist. So you have the square base. So I think you can use some of these for your old world chaos army if you're thinking of getting chaos. I don't know. I know they haven't re-released the chaos yet for the old world right now. So we got some gnomes. I do need freaking gnomes. I don't have that many gnomes. I need gnomes and freaking halflings. We got some adventurers one. We got some weird, ugly-looking dragonborn one for it. I think we can look at gold dragon. We got some orcs for it. We got a thiefling, purple worm, undead, your bases and stuff like that. So yeah, if you're interested, go get it. Cast and play. What are we doing? Are these another things of gnomes? Gift from Great Gamor. Okay. Dwarves. We got more dwarves. More freaking dwarves. Ugh. So this is probably like more like those tinkering merchant dwarves, I would say. For it, we got some farming dwarves as well. Some chickens. Old lady collecting mushrooms and stuff. And look, I got a dwarf shaman. You got a dwarf king. Chair. Treasure of different types. Miners. We got some adventurers as well. We got some sword, shield dwarves. I think that's what it's called. We got some blacksmiths. You got some boar riders. We got spellcaster, and we have a base, really cool looking base with runes on them as well. Yeah, so those are the dwarves. A loyalty release for the goblins, I would say. I don't think I've gotten these yet. I had to double check. I can't even see a throwback for it. Okay, Steppe goblins. These are like old world Age of Sigmar. We got goblins for your old world games. I know they released the orcs. I think you add the goblins in with them as well. I don't know what the battle's gonna be like for it, but yeah, if you want goblins for your thing, here you go. Get from Highland Miniature. Very good ones. This is for April. PS Miniatures, they do D&D, but I also do Warhammer 40k proxies and other stuff. I think April we got the Space Elf Vanquisher. I don't know which one of these are going to be of. You guys have a better idea than me, so if you guys do know, please let me know down in the description below. So we got this one as well, the leader I need to get for my Warp Spider. Bulkmancer Sculpt. So for recent, this is probably from last month. Your reward and your current. We got Will, and we got this lady, this archer. This one's from I forgot that PlayStation game. I have now played Horizon Zero. This is from Elden Ring. Will bust us out. Firekeeper. For it. This will be for May. Will's released. Lane. Full scale. Stuff like that. So here's your April one right here. Yuki Studio. And then we're getting a bunny girl. For Rimuru as a bunny girl. From I Reincarnate to a Slime. And this is for May. Valentinas. I forgot. This is another freaking anime I watch. I keep forgetting the name from. The case study of Vantas. That's May characters. This is Fufimu Bushido for that's for May from Shield Hero. Female version of Shield Hero looks like it. Yeah. Dungeon Pinups. You get your 2 free ones. I think that's from the Kickstarter they're doing. And this is the preview release for Dungeon Pinups. Lots of loot stuff. Got Hop Goblin Babe right there for you. Lost Kingdom Miniature, another Warhammer proxy. Age of Sigmar, Old World, and 40k sometimes. For April, looks like we got Chaos. Looks like we got the World Eaters. Looks like it. It also kind of looks like Zinch's army too because of the helmet. So it might be Zinch because those are the bird thing as well. So if you want to get Zinch's army, yeah, that's Zinch's army because all the eyes. You can tell by the armor and the eyes and stuff. They don't have the traditional feral helmet, but it has that kind of, you know, look like. So we have Zinch's army. If you're want to get some Zinch's armies for yourself, this is probably what you want to get. That looks like a Twi'lek from Star Wars. That's a Zinch's army. So yeah, if you're interested on getting that as well. It's not that bad. Let's see here. Last Sword Miniatures. This is another, proxies for Warhammer, Age of Sigmar, and so forth. The Knight of the Grail for your old world if you want to get that. I'm guessing. I'm trying to find out. This was last month. The Beast. Night Grail. April, Heritage Half-Breed. So we got another beast. I know they're removing a hell of a lot of it that I've been hearing. So you can get that. So you got some more stuff that you can do for your old world and play through Legacy, I would say. But yeah, if you're interested, please let me know. Torah Die Minis. This is for figures. I think this month we got Fiona Grimmies, I believe. No, we can see from the top. We got Power Girl, Jessica Rabbit, Jane Porter, and this is your throwback. Those three are going to be the main one for this month. I want Power Girl. I don't really care for Jessica Rabbit. That's probably for next month. And the Pussycats. Man, that's freaking old from Cartoon Network. So there's your April release if you're interested. Neko figurines. This will be the last one of this video. Trying to figure out. I think that's one of them. April release. You got Stark, New Belle from Journey's End, and I never watched this yet. Yoru Camp. So we have her, the crazy psychotic girl likes to cut things. I don't think we have seen Stark yet. We already got that from last month. But yeah. Let me know if you guys do enjoy it. Please subscribe, like, and share. Check out our Patreon and Discord down below. Thank you guys very much, and I'll talk to you guys next time. Bye.